So I'm walking. It's barefoot. That's bad. I didn't know that. Fuck. My pants are soaked. Oh well. Yeah. That's this guy. But I'm just walking. So there's not much water anymore. Not to make a splash. But yeah. I think you can probably hear an airplane. Not sure. But birds. Got here. That's the view that way. And then like Sheila and down there goes a car and I'm still walking. Something on the floor. Ow. Still walking. There's the hills. Everything goes in and there's sky, tree, grandpa. So yeah, sorry for the shaky camera. Yeah. So I have no clue what to talk about. I keep walking up and down our house just 'cause it's boring. Nothing better to do. So I keep walking. As you can tell, the stream's not that high. My pants got more weight. Oh well. There goes the car. Gonna keep walking closer to the edge. 'Cause I can. And I think someone's behind me on the bike. Oh, the car. Walk back now. Oh yeah, sorry. Oh. I really want to go jump in that puddle, but I'm not going to. Time to get on the sidewalk. Yeah, there's that puddle. Fantastic looking puddle in an abandoned house. And some dogs, my dogs, and my grandpa. And, well, let's see. Is that footprint? Okay. That's enough of that. Anyone else me? See it off. I think we're just gonna stand here for a little. They're gonna close for 3 minutes of useless shit. Yeah. So, let me see where I'm going. Here. But you see where I'm going? I'm gonna try to upload to YouTube. I'm not too sure about that. We'll see. Oh, here comes Julie.